Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. So stay at your home, be safe and be healthy. Yes dear students, in the previous video, we have to start 6th class first chapter, that is representation of geographical features. So on that video, we have to discuss about the globe, maps, sketch, plan and importance of maps. So today date is 28th April 2020, and in this video we have to discuss firstly about the types of maps. Maps are of the two types according to the scale which are on the drawn. First one is large scale maps and small scale maps. Large means information more, small means information less, and area is the opposite. In large scale map we have to discuss about the small area. In small scale maps we have to discuss about the large area. So the large scale maps cover a small area of the earth but shows almost every feature of there in detail. Means in detail they have to show all the things what they are in it. For example, the road map of a city shows streets and the important buildings of every colony in the city. Its scales can be 1 centimeter ratio 1 kilometer or even larger. Means 1 centimeter is the map distance and 1 kilometer is the ground distance. Means ground distance 1 kilometer on the map shows it 1 centimeter only. The small scale maps cover a large area of the earth but shows a very few details of the features of the area. As the area is more, so we have to show less features. Normally, maps we hang on the classroom walls or the maps in the atlas are small scale maps. The maps, world's map, that is the large area, but very few things is mentioned in it. They may use the scale such as 1 centimeter ratio 100 kilometer, means 1 centimeter between the 2 points of on the map and same points that shows the 100 kilometer on the ground. So next one is scale of a map, how we have to make it. Maps are the smaller than the region which they are represent on the flat area. The area is too much wide, but on the map there is a small area. To establish the relationship between the distance on the map and the distance on the ground, a map maker. Map maker means who makes the map, draws a map to the scale. He need one scale. So what is scale thus? Scale is the ratio between the map distance and the ground distance. Means ratio between the map distance and the ground distance. On the map, the scale can be expressed in many ways. मैप्स पर स्केल को हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं सम वेज से. फर्स्ट वन इज वर्बल स्केल. सिंपली राइट इट. 1 centimeter shows the 10 kilometer or 100 kilometer. In this type of scale, the units of measurement are given to suppose given scale on the map is 1 centimeter shows the 10 kilometer. This means the distance 1 centimeter between any 2 points on a map is equal to the distance of 10 kilometer on the ground between the same points. Same distance we have to show. Next is representative fraction, RF. In this type of scale, the units of measurement are not given. Measurement unit is not given, only ratio is given, and ratio is also given in the form of fraction. Suppose RF is the 1 ratio 10,000. Here is in the fraction denominator and the denominator. Denominator is always the map distance and denominator is always the ground distance. In this, the denominator is 1 is the map distance, while the denominator is 10,000 is the correspondence ground distance. And one thing more, map distance is always the 1. We have to consider map distance is always the 1. So we can give some units for the measurement of the map distance. Ground distance. This type of scale can be used universally. Universally, world's map के लिए we have to use it. Next one is linear scale. In this type of scale, the straight lines is used for showing a map distance, and the length of the line is also marked with the ground distance. We have to draw a straight line. It's a straight line scale, we have to say that. Shows the distance and length of the line is also marked. Ground distance, we have to show it. The main line is divided into the number of parts for its convenient use. How much its distance, we have to divide according to it. So equally we have to divide it. This scale basically shows the map distance directly and correspondence value to the ground distance. Means map distance or ground distance directly we have to show it. Let's see in this example. That is of the linear scale. So that linear scale we have to show the 30 kilometer, up to 30 kilometer. So we have to divide into 4 parts, and first part, that is 0 to 10. Again we have to divide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, means 2 we have to measure. That is 10 kilometer, 10, 10, 30. In between we have to draw anything, so we have to extend to the this side, and again we have to further divide it. So that is called the linear scale. So next is our the direction of the map. Directions on the map. How we have to find out the directions of any map. All maps should show directions with an upright arrow mark. Upside one arrow mark is given. This shows the upright corner of the map. So tip of the arrow marked with N. Tip of the arrow marked with N, which indicates the north direction. Which indicates the north direction. Once we have to find the north direction, so rest of the directions we can easily find out. Some maps also show the directions with the help of the compass rose. Compass rose is one instrument that we have to measure the direction. The four main directions are north, south, east and west, and 4 cardinal directions mean other directions of the compass also. We can also mark the intermediate directions. इनको हम कार्डिनल पॉइंट्स को इंटरमीडिएट डायरेक्शंस भी कहते हैं, जैसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट. If nothing is given, then north is usually at the top of the map. If we don't find the up of any direction, then north direction is always to the upside. So for one direction we can find out the rest of the directions. So students, today we have to discuss only this thing. Firstly, types of map, then scale of a map, and third one is the direction on a map. So listen it carefully and take care. Bye bye.